On behalf of Sri Nitya Siddhi School of Kuchipudi Dance and the Nara family, I welcome you all to this evening's Natya Samarpana of Samya Nara.
Agajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekadam Tam Bhaktana Ekadantam
We began tonight's performance with an invocational item on Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha, the Hindu deity in a human form but with the head of an elephant, represents the power of the Supreme Being that removes obstacles and ensures success in human endeavors.
Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari. Jam jam tanana ta jam tanana ta kundari kita ta kundari.
The next item Somya will perform is Chandra Shekaram Sada Bhajeham. In this item, the dancer praises Lord Shiva, who adorns the moon on his head, Chandra Shekaram, and is the beloved of Shambhavi, an epithet for goddess Parvati.
Chandra Shekaram Sada Bhajeham Shambhavi Manoharam Shankaram Chandra Shekaram Sada Bhajeham. Tathinu tataka tathimita kitataka jhamta Jagata tum drugudata taka taka thinu tataka tathimita kitataka jhamta Jagata tum drugudata taka jhamta Drugudu jaga kinna kinna naganamta Drugudu jaga kinna kinna nagatumta Jaganam taka taka jaganam taka taganam taka taka taganam taka tagarum taka taka tagarum taka tagana jagana tagana jagana dajjam tagana jagana tagana jagana dajjam tagana jagana tagana jagana dajjam. Chandra Shekaram Sada Bhajeham Shambhavi Manoharam Shankaram 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 Chandra Shekaram.
The next item Somya will perform is Aigiri Nandini. Aigiri Nandini, a composition by Sri Adi Shankaracharya, is a powerful hymn that praises goddess Durga, the destroyer of the demon Mahishasura.
Bhagavati he siti kanta kutumbini, puri kutumbini, puri krati
The next piece Somya will perform is called a Tarangam. The Tarangam chosen for this evening is Nanda Nandana Gopala, in which Lord Krishna is praised in different ways.
Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala. Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala, Navanita Chora Gopala, Nanda Nandana Gopala, Jaya Navanita Chora Gopala. Gopala, Jaya Navanita Chora Gopala, Nandana Gopala, Jaya Navanita Chora Gopala.
She's been so determined and dedicated, and seeing her on stage today, I'm honestly just so in awe of the dancer she's become, and I'm so proud of her for everything that she's accomplished. She was always a hard worker, and I can't wait to see what else she'll accomplish in the future.
Manida Magasa Saga Gama Gamada Gama Mada Danisa Magasani Gasani Dani Sani Danisa Gasani Dasani Damada Damagamada Saga-ga-mada, gamada Mada, dani, danisa, danisa Samama, magasa, madada, damagasa, gamada, nigasa Samaga-ga-dama, sani, damaga Manida, dasani, kasani, dama Samamaga-ga-dama, manida, dasani, manida, dasani, nigasa
Somya, you worked so hard for not only this, but for everything in life, and it makes me so happy seeing that hard work pay off. I'm so proud of you for everything you have achieved today, especially this beautiful performance you have put on. And I can't wait to be by your side and see the amazing things you do next. Thank you.
Rasamandala nata dasajanavana vasavadi vinuta gopala tam tadandata dim tadimita tum tajandata jum tajum tam tadandata dim tadimita tum tajandata jum tajum
Tilana is a nritta or pure dance, in which the dancer portrays her excellence in jati or gati bedas, metric nuances. The variations of the jati bedas include Tisram, 3 beats, Khandam, 5 beats, Misram, 7 beats, and Sankirna, 9 beats.
Tajam tatum tadhim tadhim tanana dirana tilana dirana 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 diranadim udaranadim tanadirana tanadiri tanaditom diranadiradim udaranadim tanadirana tanadiri tanaditom diranadim tananadirana tilana dirana.
With the blessings of Guru Sri Hari Ramamurthy, Principal, Kuchipudi Kalakshetra, and Srimati Sudha Vadlamani, Founder and Director, Sri Nritya Siddhi School of Kuchipudi Dance, we proudly present this award to Soumya Nara on the occasion of Kuchipudi Natya Samarpana, Sunday, June 23, 2024, at the Cultural Arts Center, Glen Allen, Virginia.
From the bottom of my heart, I'm actually so thankful to have had you as my guru for the last 12 years for Kuchipudi, and my dance journey definitely would not have been the same without you. You have worked tirelessly for the last year, working with me and always being so patient and making room in your schedule even though you've been so busy. And I know we've all stressed you out this year. You've had 5 recitals and you have a couple more upcoming, but you've done just an amazing job, and I truly appreciate you so much, Auntie.
Thank you all so much for coming to Soumya's Kuchipudi Natya Samarpana today. This day, this beautiful moment wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of you. We appreciate you all taking the time to attend this momentous event.